Don't forget to clean the nose. Why I call it nose? Because here is two holes. Here is valve and here is valve. Like a nose, you're supposed to clean it, both of them, each day if you have a vacuum truck. Okay, I'm going to do it right now. First hole of nose I opened, grease trap inside is going. Second hole of nose, this is hydraulic oil system. Don't forget to double check if valve is closed here and here. Forgot take a bucket. Hydraulic oil goes to different place. Put bucket back. Next video I going to tell you what's going to happen, what happened, I mean when I changed new wire, because I had an electrical issue, had a problem with fuel gauge and with four-way flasher signal, but when you change this wire everything makes fine. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Go to my channel and you can find another videos. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.